Okay everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's going on? Think this will go up on yard things. Just have a few things that we have to talk about. And this is based on backpacking Simon, where him actually go to Jamaica. I think he's still there, but if he's not, him they go Jamaica. Anyways, this video based on a video when put out, and him did comment down into him description saying him do the title based on him one. It's a clickbait basically. So the title of his video, maybe I'll put the link below as well, and I'll show you a piece of it, is I don't feel safe in Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. I started out watching Backpacking Simon for probably about a week, or a week and a half ago. I saw him with Moko, because Moko is, everybody know, like Ras Kitchen does Moko videos them and stuff like that, which is a Rasta man into the, I forget which part him live, but anyways, you will see a clip of Moko as well. So him go link up with Moko basically, and I say, okay, you know, I mean, one more thing, Moko have a next friend come in and stuff like that. Him do video in and, you know, showing how Jamaica, because I love seeing videos of Jamaica and stuff like that. So maybe I watch couple vlogs that he make with Moko and things like that. I say, okay, alright, good, it's alright. So he post a video and he title it, I don't feel safe in Kingston, Jamaica. So I say, oh no, what happened? No, what happened? Tell us say, some people when they go a yard, you know, man, and they just come like crosses, me I tell you. But anyways, I click on the video, right, which is a clickbait obviously. I click on the video, and the first part of the video Emma talk about.
But I also tried to get a GoPro here in Jamaica, but it's impossible. You can't get electronic products here in Jamaica. If you want to buy a new camera, you're not gonna get it. You have to import it from somewhere, and that's really expensive. Yeah, I thought I'm gonna be able to buy a GoPro here in the capital, but no chance.
Hold on. Let me stop right there, so. Him say him in a Kingston, right? Not in a country area. Kingston him there. And here the big old lie where I tell to. Him say him can't find any GoPro. Down him too, cause me go down and read him comments and stuff like that. Down in him comments and my comment back on people, because a lot of people are giving him some clap back on it. Right? I say, yo, stop disgrace my country, stop disrespect my country, and all of those things, to go back home and things like that. Right? People are step out on him with those things. Him tell a big lie, say him can't find any GoPro, especially into Kingston. Come on, man. The first thing that comes to my mind when I see the video and he say he can't find a GoPro, I say, you're in a Kingston. There's so much electronic store in a Kingston. How can you not find a GoPro? I think I forgot which store come to my mind. What's new? What's new is the first store come to my mind. What's new, you pretty much can find pretty much everything what's new there. That's the reason why them call it what's new. It might be pricey or whatever, but you can find it there. So I have no idea who tell him say him can't get. You can't get no GoPro in a Jamaica. You can't get that one, because it seems like he wants the newest one, which I think is GoPro 7. But you still can't get it at Jamaica. Every single thing we sell abroad, you can't get it at Jamaica. Even if you don't get it right then at the moment, you can get it shipped to Jamaica, because Amazon does thing at them get shipment from Amazon. So even if you want to buy it from Amazon and get it shipped to you at Jamaica, you can do that. So that was just a big lie. And it just, when we see that, it was just a turn off me. I say, you know, oh yeah, do that, why you say that? And the way him say, better you see if him say, yo, we just eat it right now. Right, we just eat it right. You see if him say, well, you know, I have not find any place that sell a GoPro in a Jamaica. Right? And if you know, tell me. Down in the description him say he will give must say $100 to anybody will tell him where a GoPro sell in a Jamaica. And I think a lot of people comment and say XYZ it sell here, sell there, check there, right? A lot of places, there's so many places, and even if it's not in Kingston, there's other places they can go to, other towns they can go to. Right? But anyway, let me continue on. In label it, I don't feel safe in in Kingston, Jamaica. So I say, okay, he probably get robbed or almost get robbed or something, you know, life threatening to him. So I say, you know what, let me watch it out. So I go skip it out and go to the part where I mention, which I think is supposed to link to not being safe.
Music wasn't that great, so we decided to leave and go for some dinner. And also here in Kingston at night, I don't really feel safe. So I'm gonna put this camera away right now, and yeah, we will see us back at the hostel, because yeah, you shouldn't put your belongings straight into other people's faces here in Kingston. So I'm gonna try to hide my camera a little bit and get some dinner.
And it's totally different from where you would have think the title is. So I said to myself, so why this man don't change him title or something, because this is very misleading, and this is leading a lot of people astray. I say, oh, Jamaica isn't safe and this and that, and you know what I mean. And then him have the audacity to argue about it into the comments with other people saying it's freedom of speech. Well, this is my freedom of speech, so this is my opinion and what me have to say about my own country. Stop bashing my country, right? Stop bashing my country, stop disrespecting my country. And if you don't like my country, which I think you do, if you don't like certain things, I know everybody like everything about Jamaica, and that's just life. Me sure know say him don't like everything about film country. I get which part him come from, probably New Zealand or something, where them have the, I don't remember if I'm New Zealand, you know what? Maybe keep my mouth shut about that part there. I don't remember if I'm New Zealand him come from. But anyway, stop bashing my country, man, and stop putting it down. You just give bad name and stuff like that. And to know that him have a huge following base, basically now. Because him have 71,000 subscribers, and the videos this video alone go over 150,000 views. That's a lot of people will watch it. And a lot of our Jamaicans watch it as well, and they comment below and say XYZ, you know, this not right, and stop disrespecting and stuff like that at the same time. Hold on. When him say you shouldn't put your camera or your things in other people's face, I'm not Jamaica alone. If I'm not a Jamaican, I wouldn't want somebody to put up them camera or whatever in my face. No. So yeah, behave like say, oh, a Jamaica alone have that attitude as you don't want nobody put anything in your face. No. It's just a typical thing. Common sense. You can't put camera into people's face or whatever. We Jamaican, like a lot of way, we don't like to be chat foolishness, and everybody like to go up on camera, you know what I mean? And that's how it is, right? So if you do your local vlogging, you do your local clip now and then, but yeah, obviously you can't push it up in nobody's face and rate it. But anyway, let me continue. Yeah, so that's about it basically. And if you go and watch out the rest of the video, you know see nothing a threaten him, you know see no, me don't say nothing that him like into that video that say him don't feel safe. Him like me don't know. I really don't know what to say, people. Me don't know. Me always look over this, but anyway, me don't know what to say, because change the title, please change the title. And you see the thing is, it's so misleading, and I'm so proud of it. To say, yo, me not feel safe. Yeah, everybody knows it. We Jamaica knows a certain part of Kingston, you know, if we go really linger around a certain time of night, right? Everybody know that. And that's everywhere in the world actually. Because me sure know say certain places in America, like downtown New York, some parts, you know, everywhere actually, everywhere in the world, there's some parts where you say, oh, you can't be really honest at them certain time of night here, you know, right? And that's how it is. That's how it is in Jamaica. But for him to saying that him don't feel safe in Kingston, Jamaica, Kingston is big in general. You have uptown Kingston, downtown Kingston, all over, West Kingston, East Kingston, you know. So him must say that him like make you feel like say Jamaica in general isn't safe, right? And for the how much 150,000 people will watch, right? I think I'm assuming that they're thinking that way. But all I have to say is, anybody will watch that video here, any Jamaican will watch this video, go over to his channel and please report it so it get taken down, because 1, it might get views for this, 2, it might bash your country, 3, it probably get paid for this video, and probably I get ads for it. I think, I think he's probably getting paid for it, right? So please report. The more people that report in video, it's more likely to get taken down. So please go over to him channel. Not to I'm not saying to go and harass the man or whatever. Just if you want to have your opinion about anything when him say, watch the video, do your opinion, comment or whatever, and report in video. Misleading and I don't know if it's misleading and spamming, something like that. But anyway, do that, right? Because a lot of these people come out with country and this is what they do. Our country is full of beauty. There's things that we don't like, and there's a lot of good things about our country. Our country is blessed beyond blessed. That's one thing we know. No matter what I go on the yard, our country is still blessed. It's just because Jamaica is the eye of the Caribbean, why a lot of things will happen. It's so worldwide. You see it? So let's pull together, man, and support your own country. Reporting video, because if we let it go or make this keep happening, then what's going to happen? A lot of people, them already do it still, but a lot of people from different countries are come and do the same thing, bash our own country, and we can't stand by as Jamaicans out of many one people. And I'm not just talking about black, because we have so many different types of Jamaican in a Jamaica, right? So let's come together, let's unite together and try to bring down a video. And if you see a video like this, do the same thing, right? Because by the end of the day, if we not stay abroad, if them send me back, I which part we go straight away yard, straight away yard. So yeah, that's my opinion. Like, I'm about to go work out right now, and me see the video and me say, now man, me have to say something about this. Me have to say something about this. So yeah, hit the like button, comment below and tell me your thoughts, what you think about it, and also go on reporting video as well. And to me see you again later. Me gone.